I started my IPM preparation in the last 40 days before the exam.
Parikshit is an all India rank 10.
And then when I reached home, I made sure to gather all my family members and told them all at once.
कहीं पे कुछ वीक है उसकी रियलाइजेशन भी जरूरी है कि भाई मुझे ट्रिग्नो नहीं आता तो हमें ट्रिग्नो छोड़ना है.
So I completed the syllabus in 10 days.
In this episode of Ace Jet, today we have Parikshit here. So Parikshit is an all India rank 10. And today he's gonna share his journey about how he prepared for IPMAT and how he aced IPMAT examination. So how about Parikshit, you tell us something about yourself?
Hello, I'm Parikshit Gadgil from Pune, and I've been from a commerce background for class 11th and 12th. And IPM was suggested by my teachers as an effective option ahead. And through ACE IPM, I realized my dream.
So you were telling me that through your teachers you realized, got to know about IPMAT. So can you tell me your stream, which stream you were from?
I'm from the commerce stream.
With maths?
With maths.
Okay, you had commerce with maths. What was your 10th and 12th?
My 10th was 98% and 12th was 92%.
That's amazing and significantly high. So what was your plan first? Like before your faculty telling you that you should go for IPM, what was your initial plan? They had anything or nothing?
Initially, I was planning to go abroad.
Okay.
And given my confidence, I'd only applied for the top 10 universities.
Okay.
But in an only haphazard manner, in only 6 months. So I got rejected from 9 of them and waitlisted in 1.
But still, at least you applied, you learned a lot from that. Huh?
My teacher had suggested IPM, and anyway I had prepared for SAT, so I gave the IPM exam after taking the crash course from ESA.
Okay, but still now you are here, that means a lot, right? And ultimately you did make it to one of the best institutes of the country,
yes.
Not foreign, but so you do realize that, after a BA from IIM Indore, you also have plans to actually go for outside as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't think that your dream of going outside is over. Maybe it's just starting. Maybe after your undergraduation, you can actually go for GMAT and, try for outside as well. But trust the process, you're gonna enjoy it a lot. So, since you you're telling me that you started preparing very late for IPMAT, given that you were preparing for SAT in the beginning. So English तो काफी ज़्यादा हद तक sorted था.
English was sorted.
हाँ, because of the fact that you were already training. तो आपने IPMAT का किस period of time से start किया? And how did you prepare for IPMAT specifically?
I started my IPM preparation in the last 40 days before the exam.
Just 40 days,
40
okay,
days,
that's actually tough. Huh?
And when I started, I used to watch 10-12 hours of lectures, recorded lectures. I didn't attend any live ones.
Okay.
I used to watch recorded lectures at twice the speed, so I completed the syllabus in 10 days, 15 days.
10-15 days.
I did not watch the English syllabus, I only did the math syllabus.
So you went through the entire ACE IPM maths lectures in 10-15 days. That's amazingly tough and done by you, but okay, yeah, move ahead.
Then I gave a mock. And then I realized I was very much far behind still.
Okay.
So I dissected the syllabus in which areas which I was most comfortable in. So I skipped all trigonometry as I didn't have any experience in 11th and 12th. So I skipped most of the higher maths and I concentrated on the things which I knew, which were things like basic linear algebra and then permutation, combination, probability, etc.
So that's actually one of the amazing techniques that you should also be aware of. कभी कभी होता क्या है कि given that कहीं कोई नॉन मैथ का है, कहीं मैथ का भी है बट साइंस स्टूडेंट नहीं है, तो उसका जो एक्सपोजर होता है रिलेटिवली ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, जो कैलकुलस जैसे हेवी सब्जेक्ट होता है ना, वैसा उसका एक्सपोजर नहीं हो पाता है. और फिर जब वो IPMAT के लिए जाता है तो वो एक कंफर्ट नहीं आता है. मॉक्स में भी सेम फील हो रहा होगा कि यार ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का क्वेश्चन तो बन ही नहीं रहा है. But at the same time, if you realize that examination is not about attending 100% of the paper.
Yes.
Exactly. That's amazing. So, that's just one of the common suggestion I would give, from Prakshit to you guys, कि आप अपने पूरे syllabus को parts में divide कर लीजिए. कहीं पे अपना एक soft spot रखिए और उनको बहुत strength करिए. कहीं पे कुछ weak है, उसकी realization भी जरूरी है कि भाई मुझे ट्रिग्नो नहीं आता तो हमें ट्रिग्नो छोड़ना है. That's amazing. So this was about QA part. QA तुमने पूरा IPMAT, ACE IPM के portal से कर लिया था. Apart from that, just this preparation, what about some guidance वगैरह, थोड़ा lost होते थे तो कैसे क्या होता था कहीं, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है 40 दिन बहुत कम होते हैं और एक अलग ही प्रेशर होता है. तो उस टाइम पे कैसे कोप अप करते थे?
So I concentrated after completing the syllabus. I made it a habit to give a mock in the morning and then analyzing my mock in the afternoon and then watching lectures of the questions I could do but I missed. So I used to I kept the same routine for the last 20 days. So I used to give a mock, analyze lectures. So this was my routine.
Mock क्वेश्चंस एनालाइज किया, उस पे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया, तो अमेजिंग. तो एटलीस्ट मतलब आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि लास्ट 20 डेज में आपने 20 मॉक्स मिनिमम दे ही दिए थे.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's one of the great things. So actually that built your stamina as well.
Yeah, yeah, of
तो वो
course.
और वो एक टाइम फ्रेम में दे रहे होंगे जिसमें इंदौर का मॉक होगा.
I got to know about the different types of questions through. So even if I knew some probability, I got to find out the different ways in or shortcuts through the lectures and all.
Okay. Another recommendation from Prakshit is clearly आपको कुछ लास्ट मंथ्स में तो मेक श्योर करना है कि आप मॉक्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा देते हैं. जितने ज्यादा मॉक्स उतना ज्यादा स्टैमिना बिल्ड होता है एंड हमारा टेम्परमेंट डेवलप हो जाता है पेपर में परफॉर्म
But
करने.
if in the actual paper you get harder questions, you have faced them before and you have the practice of dealing with those.
That's amazing. Prakshit, how about you tell me your section breakdown and your overall score of IPM at Indore?
So I got 40 in the first section.
QSA.
Then 141 in the verbal and the remaining games.
अच्छा, the overall score was 235. Okay, ठीक है. Now you do the math. Let's start your calculation test today itself. ठीक है. So that's the amazing score. With that score, you cleared IPM at Indore. How did you start to prepare for your interview?
Firstly, ACE IPM was really helpful in the interview because from mentors to actual too many mock interviews, and then also the booklets provided really helped in the general knowledge and also knowing more about my state through the booklets.
Okay. So मतलब basically in the end that content also helped you. We are quite glad about it. But do realize that कि actually आप already एक hard working student है.
Yeah.
So in case just enrolling into ACE IPM or just doing or any content wouldn't make sure that you're clearing the examination. You have to put into hard work.
Yes, you have to put in
हाँ, प्रक्षित की 98% अटेंडेंस में, तो आप उससे ही समझ जाइए कि वो कितना हार्ड वर्किंग है. ऑलरेडी सैट दे चुका था. सैट एक एग्जामिनेशन है जिसमें वो अपना एक्सपीरियंस कहीं ना कहीं उसे हेल्प किया. So these kind of things are gonna help. The more you work hard, that's what you need. Okay. तो इसके अलावा how is your you've already come visited the campus, right?
Yeah.
So just give me a one experience. और कैसा लगा कैंपस में आकर, कैसा लगा रिजल्ट के बारे में जानकर, दोनों बताओ कि जब तुम्हारा रिजल्ट आया आई एम इंदौर तब कैसा लगा और फिर जब कैंपस गए तो कैसा लगा.
So when I found out my result, I was alone going in a cab home.
Okay.
So first of all, I could celebrate any way how I wanted as I was alone in the cab.
Okay.
And then when I reached home, I made sure to gather all my family members and told them all at once.
अच्छा, सबको साथ में बिठाया, मजा आ गया होगा. हाँ.
Yeah, so we had a feasty dinner that night.
Okay.
We enjoyed thoroughly. And as I arrived at campus late night yesterday, it was very daunting at first, seeing such a huge campus, all new people, but my friends and all really helped me from the first, introducing myself, they introducing themselves.
Okay.
So it was really nice for me to meet new friends.
Okay, that's amazing. So let's end this interview with last tip to all the students. What is that one tip that you would give students at this point in time, given that they have remaining, let's say 3 months, 2 months, 1 month in hand? What sort of a planning or what sort of suggestion you would like to give?
First of all, you need to analyze what sections you are good at and what sections you are not. And even if you are not good at some sections, there must be some sections which you are good at and which you can concentrate on.
Okay.
So after you have found those out, you should follow the routine of mock, analyze and then
question solving and video watching.
And then solving questions.
Okay, definitely. ठीक है. So thank you so much Prakshit for ठीक है. How about you have a good meal now?
Yeah, thank you.
Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on aceipm.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and ACE IPM. Thank you.